Good morning, children. Welcome once again to virtual classroom teaching of Class 1 Maths. This is session 11, and today we are going to start with subtraction word problems. We have already done word problems on addition, and you have also got practice paper, and today we are going to start word problems on subtraction. Now all of you see, the question is, a man bought 72 eggs. 17 out of them were rotten. How many eggs were good? Now a man bought how many eggs? 72 eggs. And 17 out of them were rotten. Rotten means they are not good. So how many eggs are good? What do you need to do? Total number of eggs is 72 and 17 out of them are rotten. So we need to subtract 17 from 72 so that we get number of good eggs. Now you will find words like left in what problems on subtraction. Now the statement will be written for you and you have to do the subtraction. You have to arrange the numbers properly and you have to put this sign, the subtraction sign in the bracket, and then do the subtraction. You have already done subtraction borrowing sums. See, here it is given 72. 2 is here and 7 is here. Can you subtract 7 from 2? No. So what did I teach you? You need to borrow 1 from the tens place. So we borrow 1 and write 1 here, and on top you write then 6. Since we have borrowed 1 from 7, so 7 minus 1 is 6. So we write on top 6 and here it comes 12. Now you can subtract 7 from 12. So count 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. How much? 5. And 6 minus 1 is 5. So 55 eggs were good. Answer will be given in this pattern and you have to write down only the number in the blank space. Am I clear to you? Don't forget to write H2O on top. Don't forget to give this sign in the bracket, and don't forget to write down this answer in this form in number. Okay, children? Now we will move on to the second sum. I hope this sum is clear to all of you. So we move on to second sum. There were 100 LCDs in a shop. 89 89 of them were sold. How many LCDs were left? Here also, what do I do? So total number of LCDs equals to how many? Don't forget to write down 100 tens ones on top. Total number of LCDs equals to 100. Now, how many were sold? Number of, you already know NO full stop means number. Number of LCDs sold equals to 89. Then we write down, draw this line, then put minus sign here. Therefore, number, I told you this left means subtraction. Number of LCDs left equals to, so you need to subtract 89 from 100. Here it is 0, isn't it? Here it is 0. So what we need to do? We borrow 1 from here. So here also you see it is 0. So what we do? We take this 2 at a time, 10. So in the tens place we make it 9, and here I write down 10, 1. Alright, 1. So 1 0 is 10. Now 10 minus 9 equals to 1 and 9 minus 8 equals to 1. So what will be your answer? 11 LCDs were left. Alright, I'm telling once again, in half yearly this statement will be given, but in annual statements will not be given. You have to write on your own. So I advise you, I suggest you that you practice writing the statements from now only. If you learn writing the statement from now only, in future there will be no problem for you. So I am repeating this once again. There were 100 LCDs in a shop. 89 of them were sold. How many LCDs were left? Total number of LCDs equals to, you write down the number 100. Number of LCDs sold equals to how many? 89. You write down HTO on top. So don't forget to write down this place value and then put the minus sign in the bracket. Then don't forget to write down this therefore sign. Do the subtraction properly and answer you must write down in number 11 LCDs were left. Okay children, thank you.